Now adding a page to our website. In main dashboard we have pages. Now add new page, click on that. Now add title to our page. Add some description. And now publish the page. So look for it public, private, password protected. We have three options, and this is a scheduling time. Now publish it. So go back. Now we can see there is home. Now we can edit it. So we can make it a main page, default page. We have various options here. We can check status. Add one other page. Name it. Some description. And just publish it. So we have two pages now. Now in appearance we have menu, and we have, and in menu name just add a header. So we want to show like it's a header page, so name it. I will name it as nav bar. Now select both that and add to menu. So now we can see we have home and about page. So it's a main, and save the menu. So it's done. Now we go to our main dashboard and just refresh it. Now you can see we have two navigation bar, home and about this page. This is about this page.